Hi guys, and welcome to a video where I am going to be showing you how to build redstone slime block vehicles. First, I'm going to be showing you how to build a redstone plane, and second, a redstone helicopter. So let's get started. So here we are in my redstone testing world, and now I'll tell you what supplies you'll need in survival to build the redstone plane. You will need 1 sticky piston, 2 normal pistons, 2 slime blocks, 2 redstone blocks, a rail, a minecart, and any decorative blocks of your choice. Now, the first step is you'll have to build up to a usual height of where a plane or helicopter should be, and place 1 slime block. Next, you will have to, don't judge how I do this, it's just my ways. Place a piston facing into the first slime block. Next, you place 2 pistons out and remove the first piston and place a sticky piston facing into the first slime block. Place a new slime block. Remove the blocks under the original. And place 2 redstone blocks. Now, if you want a seat, you will have to place a rail on this piston specifically, place the minecart on top, and then go underneath and place a redstone block, remove it, and there your vehicle goes off into the distance. So now guys, I'll be showing you how to be building the redstone helicopter. First step, you will have to buy 2 platforms. Then you place 2 slime blocks diagonally facing each other. And you place you place 2 sticky pistons facing into both slime blocks. Then place observers facing in both directions. Make sure they are not facing, their face is not facing any pistons, sticky pistons I should say. And now do 3 more slime blocks for the seat. place a rail, a minecart, go down underneath, remove the rail. And this is your redstone helicopter. I'll show you how both the vehicles will look decorated afterwards. But now, this vehicle can go in two directions. This observer will power it in that direction, and this observer will power it in that direction. Because this is the tail of the helicopter, we'll move it in that direction, place an immovable block on the observer's face, and then let it go on with its life. I'll just leave it there. So guys, I think it's the moment you've all been waiting for, to see the decorated redstone vehicles. Actually, you were probably waiting for the tutorials, weren't you? But anyway, here are the decorated versions. If you want to copy them down, I'll just give you a moment to look at the details. So tell me what you think of these in the comments down below. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this video and hit the notification bell for updates on the videos that I send out. And I guess I'll leave it there. So bye guys, I hope to see you in the next video.